Hey everyone! Today we're going to be diving into cryptocurrency case study. Now, I know a lot of people are either excited or skeptical about the world of crypto, so I wanted to take a closer look at a specific project or company to see if it has the potential for success or failure. Before we get started, let me give you a little background on what cryptocurrency is all about. Essentially, it's a digital currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Now, the project we're going to be looking at today is called XYZ Coin. XYZ Coin is a new cryptocurrency that was launched in the past year and has gained a lot of attention in the crypto community. It's being marketed as a fast, secure, and user-friendly alternative to traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But as we all know, not all crypto projects are created equal. So, let's take a closer look at XYZ Coin and see if it has the potential for success or if it's just another flash in the pan. First, let's examine the technology behind XYZ Coin. According to their website, they use a unique blockchain technology that allows for faster transaction speeds and lower fees compared to other cryptocurrencies. This is definitely a plus, as slow transaction times and high fees have been a major pain point for many users of Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies. But technology isn't everything. Another important factor to consider is the team behind the project. When it comes to XYZ Coin, the team is made up of seasoned professionals with a background in tech, finance, and marketing. This is a good sign, as a strong and experienced team can give the project more credibility and increase the chances of success. Now, let's talk about adoption. Is XYZ Coin being used by a significant number of people? According to their website, they have a growing user base with thousands of active users and merchants accepting XYZ Coin as a payment method. This is a good sign, as widespread adoption is crucial for any cryptocurrency to be successful. So far, XYZ Coin seems to be ticking all the right boxes. But of course, no project is without risks. One potential risk for XYZ Coin is competition. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, and new projects are being launched all the time. XYZ Coin will need to constantly innovate and stay ahead of the curve in order to stay relevant and maintain its user base. Another risk is regulation. While cryptocurrency has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, governments and financial institutions are still figuring out how to regulate it. If XYZ Coin faces strict regulations or government crackdowns, it could impact its success. So, what's the verdict? Based on the technology, team, and adoption, XYZ Coin has the potential for success. However, as with any investment, it's important to do your own research and assess the risks before diving in. But overall, XYZ Coin seems to be a promising project in the world of cryptocurrency. Only time will tell if it will live up to its potential. But for now, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts on XYZ Coin in the comments below. Do you think it has the potential for success, or